Hello friends, thank you so much for stopping by today and for all the nice comments that you left me in the previous video. I appreciate it so much. I have for you today this layout as tutorial. It is my second video tutorial with the November limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. I select those papers that you see, these papers, and I am tearing the border of this one. I want to place this piece in the bottom corner, but I don't want that they look so big. I like that this pattern paper is like a third part, like a third on the background, not too much of the plate paper, but I am continue here tearing the paper until I get the size that I like for this background. Okay, I already primed the paper with clear gesso of camera. Now here I am cutting the bottom strip because I want to use it as my title. So once I have this ready, I'm going to place this. This is my original idea. I was planning to put this here on the photo, but I discard the top part here now. I prefer more simple layout, but if you like more busy, you can use the top corner too. I trimmed the title, and I think that I was planning something like that. Not sure at this moment. I am planning to add textures on the background. I need to enhance or highlight more the photos, so I'm going to use the stencil from the kit with modeling paste. But guess what? This jar, I didn't use it in months. I have been months that I didn't feel well. I was very sick, so I didn't use any of my mixed media products. The majority of them are dry, like this one. I still can use some part of the modeling paste that are good, but these jars go to the trash bin too. To trash can too. Anyway, I apply modeling paste, and over the modeling paste now I am apply white acrylic paint, and the reason for this is because I want to add color to the to all the textures on the background. I want to highlight the photos, so I think that if I add more white, it will the photo will look better. You can see here, but I'm going to let dry the textures, and I'm going to work with my photo now because I think that it needs a matte, and I'm going to look between all the different elements that comes in the kit. And I select this paper, and I like this envelope, but the only thing is I'm going to trim off all the white border of the envelope. But once I'm going to put the envelope with my photo, you will see it's red over red. Now I need something else, so I'm going to quickly here make a matte for my photo with white cardstock. I think it will look better if the photo has something between the envelope and the photo, because it's red over red. And once I cut this matte, I'm going to adhere to the photo and this to the envelope. The envelope looks a little bigger, so I need to trim a little of this too. And as always, I will let you in the description box down below the link to the kit. The November kit is gorgeous. You will love it. I will let you the link down below, and also I'm going to let you my previous video. This is my second. If you didn't see my first one, I will let you the link down below. Here I add more, give white paint splatters over this to smooth a little the background. I am showing you here the laser cuts. If you don't like to cut paper, I love it. I can sit for hours and cut a tons of elements from paper. But this is an alternative that is super easy to remove these beautiful flowers and leaves. And it comes in the kit. I already removed some flowers, some leaves. I want to show you how easy it is work with these laser cuts. Anyway, I already put a piece of cardboard behind the photo, and also another one behind the title, and I cut a matte a white mat like I did for my photo. And I'm going to start to build my composition with the bigger pieces. This one is one of the flowers from the paper that I cut out. And I continue adding, I have this doily that I made with one of the die from my stuff. And I try to put it behind the flower because, to try to enhance the element, because the background paper is busy, it's red, and I have too much with the same color. So when you have a situation like this, it's great to add a neutral color between them. In that way you can enhance more on a specific point that you want to highlight. I hope it makes sense. Now I continue with the medium pieces and then with the smaller one. In that way I made the layers, the bigger at first the bigger and the last the smaller. And I continue adding here. I put some pieces of the ephemera. I am trying to fold the leaves because in that way you can give a natural look to all these paper flowers. And I think that so far I love how it looks. I select the title and I put the "for goodness sake" because I want to make a funny layout. Try to do something with the photo of Santa. I think is perfect for the title. And then I'm going to add some star here. And I'm going to add flowers. These are from the kit from Friday Night and Market, and I want to place this behind all these layers here. And I put back all the things. And this one I am trying to cover the stem, to put the stem behind the photo and the title. I am trying, and it works. You can see here. And now I am continue playing with the different shapes here and put the things correctly. And now I'm going to adhere all these elements off camera because I don't want to make the video too long. And I think that, let me see. Okay, I am happy. Let me adhere all this. Okay, I already adhere everything, and I put some of this pearl already in my page. I'm going to adhere it now with hot glue here. I didn't find, I went to Target because I was looking for this type of embellishment. I didn't find it this year. I bought this, I think like 2 years ago in Target, and I love these pearls, but I couldn't find now. Anyway, I'm going to add now some of these tiny stars, and I'm going to put it on the background. I'm using my fingers now, but sometimes it's hard because they stick to my fingers. So it's better if I use the jewel picker by Marby, and it helps a little. Well, not a little. It helps a lot. It's easier in this way. And now I'm going to adhere this with the multi-medium matte. Okay, I'm not going to show you all the process, just a few of them here and there. The idea with this layout, to show you this layout, is because it's easy. You can make this layout in 1 hour, and you can have the idea of the concept of the design to make a card or a journal, the cover of an album, and it will not take too much time. Sometimes during this festive season, you don't have the time to to sit and create a complicated layout. So that was the reason to make something, and the result is lovely. Now I cover the photo. I am trying to smooth the border of the photo here with white paint splatters. I am trying to smooth a little the background because I didn't want to add direct paint on the background. I prefer it that way. And now I'm going to clean this, remove the photo, the cover of the photo here. And you can see I have a lot, it's wet, and I have a lot of glue. Let me remove a little before I show you, but it's okay. And you can see the final result. I just love it. Easy, and the result is so lovely. Let me know, what do you think? Do you love it? Do you love it? Or you prefer more mixed media tutorial. Let me know with a comment down below, and remember that I'm going to let you the link to the kit in the description box, to the previous video, and also to my social media in case that you want to see more projects with other products. And as always, I hope that you enjoy this video tutorial and that it inspired you. Let me show you 2 more videos here that maybe you are interested. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. And I see you soon, my friends, with a new video tutorial. Take care. Bye bye. Nos vemos.